Hi everyone.
Today I'll show you a very easy way to download your favorite song on your smartphone. Stay tuned so you won't miss the steps.
Welcome to Suggest Pro Studio, your shortcut to smarter phone use.
If you love listening to music, this video will really help you. Please remember to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss my next tutorials.
First, let's discuss an app called SnapTube. It makes downloading songs and videos incredibly easy. Now, let's head over to the Play Store to install it. Just a quick reminder, there are several apps that look similar to SnapTube, so make sure to stay focused and download the correct one. Follow along closely as we go through the legal procedures for this app.
After installing SnapTube, open the app. Search for the song or artist you like. Or just tap music, you will see the latest songs. When the song appears, tap the yellow download button. Now choose the audio quality, like 10 MB or 2 MB to save data. That's it, your song is saved. Now, let us off our data or put our phone on airplane mode and play the song offline, so that you understand that the song is already saved and you are going to play it offline or share it with your friends. Remember, I mute the song to avoid copyright issue. Any song you are downloading here, it's only for personal use because if you use it on your social media, it will flag copyright. As you can see on the screen, the song is already playing, so the song is already downloaded to our device. We're going to check it on our external audio player to check if the song will play. Remember, I'm fast forwarding the song so that you will understand that the song is playing completely without an internet connection. In this case, we are going to play it with another audio player so that you understand that the song is already saved on our device and we are ready to use the song to do whatever we wish to do. But remember, you must have the legal right to use the song you downloaded from the YouTube or SnapTube before using the song commercially. In this process, I'm going to teach you how to download any free beat from YouTube. For any song you love on YouTube, just stay focused to see how to do it properly. In this case, you have to stay focused because you're going to copy the link and all you are going to do is to head over to Snap2 and paste the link, then follow the process of downloading the song. All you have to do is to click on the yellow download button and the song will take you to a place where you will choose the audio quality. Remember to click on the play to locate the downloaded song. Once you click on the play, you will locate all the downloaded files on the play. Now you have learned how to download songs from your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, like this video. If you are stuck in any way, just leave your comment in the comment section. And if you ever want me to do another tutorial related to this, kindly comment below and I will do another tutorial for you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more smart tips from Suggest Pro Studio.